Everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make money online with your Android device or iPhone or computer, but right now I'm going to be using my Android to show you how to do that. It's very easy and fast. I'd like you to hit the subscribe button and also the bell button for notification on more video about making money online. I'm going to be doing a lot of video about that because I've been doing a lot of research and I've been getting serious answers. But this one I'm going to show you is just by is easy, and then all you have to do is go to catch.com, and then I'll drop a link below for that. Actually, there's a link below. Just click on the link to take you direct to the registration page. All you have to do is just register. When you register, then after registration, you can see I do a little work today. I earned 267 cents. Just not up to $1 yet, but I'm just doing that right now for the video. I haven't really much about that, but let me show you how I end up. All you have to do is just go to the self capture. This self capture, you have to click the start button. You have to click the start button, and then get started. And then you click start. And then all you just have to do is just fill in some code. It's easy, fast, but my network is kind of slow. That's why my internet is slow. That's why it's taking longer to load. But it's easy, fast. You can see this. All you just have to do is just type in what is on the image into the box, and then click next, and then you can see I had 1 cent. It's easy, fast, and flexible. You could do it anywhere, from your home, work, church, anywhere you are. It's easy. All you just have to do is put in more work. At least if you serve up to like 8,000 captured, you can earn up to $5 or $10. It's easy. You can do it. The most amazing part is that you can do it any country. That's all you just have to do. You just have to keep filling the codes, and then they keep giving you money. You get that? You can see I'm rising, but I could just do a lot of work here to make it $1, but I can't make this video so long for that. But it's easy. All you just have to do is check out. The easiest part is payout. No, I click on start work. I was supposed to click on payout. The payout is easy. You can pay out with web money, perfect money, Bitcoin, advanced cash, uphold, payout, and airtime. It's easy. My best use was Bitcoin. I used the Bitcoin to check out my last withdrawal. That's all you have to do. All you just have to do is follow the link below, register, and then start earning money. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day.